Hello guys, how you all doing? um Today I want to be creating a video on how to create an event with Flutterwave. So a lot of people think Flutterwave is only about processing payments and the rest of it. Yeah, Flutterwave is a fintech application you can use to process payments. As a store owner, you can use it to receive payments for people who buy your goods. But then we're going to be talking about how to create an event using Flutterwave. So this method is quite tricky. Most people don't really get to know how to go about this, and I decided to wrap it up and then create a small video on how you can go about that as an individual. Yeah, you can actually create an event, yeah, with Flutterwave, and also it helps you manage the payment receiving and the rest of it. So I'm going to walk you through that process. So if you are new to this channel, you can give it a like or you can subscribe to my channel. So let's go right into it. So I'm here on Flutterwave events of flutterwave.com. So what we're going to be doing is going to go to here and create an event. So sorry, maybe I'm going to be having a slow internet connectivity, but yeah, we're going to be doing it regardless. So you just have to wait. I have a patience. Okay, so what you have to do is you're going to sign up. You're going to sign up even if you have a Flutterwave account before. You don't need to log in. If you log in, it's going to take you to your dashboard, something like that. But then if you don't have a Flutterwave account that have events enabled on it, all you have to do is to sign up. Yeah, so if you have Flutterwave account that doesn't have events enabled on it, please, you have to sign up, don't log in. All right, so I'm going to try on, yeah, so we're going to use maybe T-Space, and then I'm going to use 30 bytes and use my email address. Gmail. Let's go. So I'm in Nigeria, and then so it doesn't matter where you hear about them. It doesn't matter. Then here you have to create a password. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. So you have to create a strong password so that it can allow you go through. So after that, you're going to click that you have acknowledged and then get started. So after this, we're going to get a mail. So I'm going to my mail and then check if the mail have dropped. Then I think wait for it. Oh, sorry. I have to do this. Official. So I think I missed the point. I missed something about the email, so I've corrected it. So I'm going to be getting a mail. Okay, here it is. So I'm going to confirm. Okay. So while I'm trying to confirm, so we're going to say welcome to Flutterwave, accept payments as an individual, accept payment as a registered company, and the rest of it. So we're not going to be checking these boxes, these radio boxes. We're going to check this create, manage, and accept payments for an event, because we want to create an event. We want a Flutterwave account where we can manage, create events, and also receive payments for the event, stuff like that. So we're going to be checking this and then continue to dashboard. So after that, you notice that okay, we are at the dashboard, and here you will see events. So if you are using an account that is for payments or as a freelancer or stuff like that, you will not be seeing these events. But if you sign up as an event, sign up as someone who wants to receive payments for an event or stuff like that, you're going to be seeing this tab here. So all you need to do is add the phone number. I'm going to walk through that. Add the phone number, and then going to receive yeah, we're going to receive a code. So I'm going to get that from my mobile, and then I'm going to type it in. Then so I'm going to submit. So it's going to verify. Oh god, I think I missed something. There. 512518. Yeah, exactly, that was it. So what's going on? I think my network is bad or something, so I have to request for another. So they've sent it again. I have to put and then submit. So I've been verified, and I'm going to add my account, and I think could I? Okay, so I'm going to be adding my phone number. These are just verification processes, because when you put all these informations, it allows payments to be sent, payments made on your account to be sent directly to your bank account as a corporate, because they are assuming that you're a corporate firm. So I'm going to put my bank number here, and then continue whatever. And then all these, I'm not interested in filling this information right now. All I'm going to just go here and create an event. It's as easy as that. Just put any event, maybe scholars or something like that, and then maybe just trying to check things out. And event location, I'm in Lagos, and maybe you have a video or you have an image or something, you have to upload them, and you put the time, yeah, whatever time it is. I'm just putting this time for test purposes. So, and you're going to put the end time, like the event end time or something like that. So something like that, then maybe there. So okay, accepting. What currency do you wish to accept payment with? So you just indicate which currency, and some other information you need to just fill out here. And after that, you just go up here and save the event. And I think if all goes well, okay, I have to upload an image. Sorry, I have to go here and upload an image. I think I have an image. I can upload. So yeah, so upload this image. Sorry, Tech Kaba, I'm using this. So sorry, this is an image I saved on my mobile, on my desktop. So I'm using it. So after that, I'm going to just go here and save. So when I have saved the event, you have to ticket name, scholars, they just say scholars, whatever the price is, 10,000, I don't know, or you say event is free, it's going to be free, just check here. But if not, they just say free. So available tickets is maybe 60. Ticket ends anytime, so create ticket. So after that, your ticket is here. You have your ticket here, and you can take events online when you're done with all edits and every other thing necessary. So take the event online. So now the event is now live. When you click here, you get the link to the event. So this is actually it, and people can just click here to register them for the event. So I don't know if you gain something from this video. If you gain any information from this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And if there is any other thing you think I'm missing out or something, please tell me in the comment section, and I'll gladly